You just replaced your car battery and now it seems to have developed its own personality, windows rolling up and down uncontrollably, engine vibrating strangely at idle and air conditioning functioning in complete chaos. These malfunctions actually hide reset procedures that the automotive industry prefers to keep secret because they represent millions of dollars in losses for dealership networks. Each vehicle possesses specific restart sequences that only certified technicians officially master, but the real problem lies in the absolute precision required for these manipulations. 1 second difference, one omitted step, and the procedure fails completely. That's why every movement counts and every timing must be respected to the letter. What you'll discover in the next few minutes can save you between $200 and $600 in diagnostics. Some of these procedures cost more than $300 at official dealerships. Don't leave this video because the final technique with the metal clip seems totally impossible until you see it in action. When your automobile regains its normal behavior, you'll understand the true value of this information we're going to discover together right now. What specialized technicians don't want you to know is that these resets can be performed in your own garage without expensive equipment or specialized tools. Technique number 12, activating high beams with battery disconnected. This manipulation completely erases the electrical memory stored in the vehicle's entire module assembly. With battery totally disconnected, turn key to ignition position and activate high beams for exactly 4 minutes. During this period, internal capacitors and computers completely empty, eliminating phantom codes and defective parameters responsible for erratic behaviors. This process far exceeds simple battery disconnection because high beams consume more energy and accelerate evacuation of residual electricity stored in circuits. By totally exhausting this static electricity, you force all modules to restart with their original configurations. This method eliminates problems like fans spinning permanently, lights refusing to turn off, or climate systems with unpredictable reactions. It proves particularly effective on vehicles that have suffered electrical surges or incorrect accessory installations. After these 4 minutes, reconnect battery and start engine. First 30 seconds may show irregular operation, while systems automatically recalibrate. The effectiveness of this technique stems from modern capacitors storing energy for prolonged periods even after disconnecting the main power source. Technique number 11, maintaining brake pedal for 45 seconds after disconnection. Specialists use this trick to eliminate parasitic tensions that remain active even after disconnecting battery. With battery disconnected, keep brake pedal firmly pressed for 45 complete seconds. Braking circuit communicates directly with numerous electronic modules including anti-lock, stability control, and main computer. By pressing pedal, you simultaneously activate all these circuits, draining residual energy accumulated in system. This forced discharge completely resets electronic braking system, eliminating error codes related to speed sensors and anti-lock calibration. It also positively influences electric power steering and resolves problems like spongy brake pedal without apparent reason. This manipulation also erases adaptive memory of traction control, eliminating incorrect configurations that cause untimely interventions during normal driving. Modern brake systems incorporate multiple sensors that constantly monitor hydraulic pressure and speed of each wheel. When these sensors receive conflicting information due to parasitic voltages, they can generate false error codes affecting overall vehicle performance. If these tricks save you hundreds of dollars at your garage, think about subscribing and activating notification bell because this valuable information deserves to be shared with other drivers who might urgently need it. Technique number 10, removal and replacement of ignition fuse. This targeted approach resets only ignition system without disturbing other vehicle modules. Locate ignition circuit fuse in engine compartment fuse box with engine totally off and keys removed from contact. Remove this fuse for exactly 3 minutes. This time allows ignition module capacitors to completely discharge. Ignition system memorizes combustion characteristics, ignition timing and adaptive adjustments based on fuel quality used. When these parameters become corrupted, engine may present irregular idle or excessive fuel consumption. Upon replacing fuse, ignition module recovers factory configuration and initiates new adaptive learning cycle. First 500 kilometers of driving are determining for system to re-establish optimal parameters. This method proves particularly effective after changing spark plugs or using poor quality fuel. Modern electronic ignition systems continuously adjust timing according to driving conditions, engine temperature, and detected fuel quality. These adaptive adjustments store in modules non-volatile memory, but can become corrupted by electromagnetic interference or voltage fluctuations. Technique number 9, Electronic throttle body recalibration by pedal. Contemporary vehicles use electronic throttle bodies requiring periodic calibration to maintain optimal performance. This procedure completely resets these parameters without specialized tools. With engine off, turn key to contact position without starting, press accelerator pedal completely, and maintain for 12 precise seconds. Release totally and wait another 12 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 consecutive times. During this process, engine computer relearns minimum and maximum throttle positions. It also recalibrates airflow values and synchronization between accelerator pedal and effective engine response. Poorly calibrated throttle body causes symptoms like unstable, idle, or delayed acceleration response. This procedure eliminates error codes relative to throttle position and airflow sensors. Electronic acceleration system completely replaced traditional mechanical cables, introducing greater precision but also greater complexity and control. Throttle is controlled by stepper motor that must know exactly its operating limits to function correctly. Technique number 8. Computer fuse disconnection for 90 seconds. Your automobile's computer accumulates error codes and incorrect parameters that can cause strange malfunctions for months. This intervention definitively eliminates all this corrupted information. Identify fuse box under hood, look for fuse marked as engine computer and remove it with engine completely stopped. Exact timing is 90 seconds, no less. During this minute-and-a-half, computer's RAM memory completely empties. All erroneous adaptive values and defective configurations automatically erase. Upon replacing fuse, computer restarts in basic learning mode. First 100 kilometers vehicle may function slightly differently. This technique eliminates irregular idle problems, automatic transmission jerks, and erratic fan activation. Computer's adaptive memory stores thousands of parameters related to engine behavior under different operating conditions. Over time, these values can deviate from optimal parameters due to normal wear, fuel quality changes, or deposit accumulation in engine. By erasing this memory, computer must relearn all these values from scratch, frequently resulting in better performance and fuel consumption. Technique number 7. Complete accelerator pressing with contact on for 15 seconds. Electronic injection systems lose calibration when battery disconnects or during sensor failures. This procedure forces computer to relearn exact throttle body limits. Turn key to contact position without starting engine. You'll hear gasoline pump buzzing activating. Immediately press accelerator pedal to bottom and maintain exactly 15 seconds. Release completely and wait 15 additional seconds. During this process, computer registers minimum and maximum throttle positions. This information is crucial for calculating correct fuel amount in each driving situation. Repeat procedure 4 consecutive times before starting. Upon turning on engine may present slightly irregular idle. This technique resolves poor acceleration problems and delayed accelerator response. Electronic injection system calculates exact fuel amount based on dozens of parameters including accelerator position, airflow, engine temperature, and load. When accelerator position isn't read correctly, this entire equation becomes unbalanced, resulting in rich or lean mixture depending on circumstances. Technique number 6. Emergency lights activation with battery disconnected. This procedure seems illogical but completely drains residual electricity from system. With battery completely disconnected, turn contact to run position and activate emergency lights. Keep them on for 45 seconds, also activate turn signals and any other accessible electrical system. Although there's no energy to power bulbs, circuits drain static electricity accumulated in capacitors and harnesses. This residual energy generates phantom signals that confuse sensors and computers. After complete draining, reconnect battery, always respecting correct order. First positive, then negative. Upon starting, all systems restart from 0 without previous interference. This technique eliminates lighting problems that remain on and fans spinning with engine off. Modern electrical harnesses act as antennas, capturing electromagnetic interference from environment, accumulating static charges that can interfere with normal electronic system operation. Technique number 5. Temperature sensor disconnection for 15 seconds with cold engine. Coolant temperature sensor sends critical information for engine operation. When contaminated or miscalibrated, it causes cascade of problems resembling complex mechanical failures. With engine completely cold, locate temperature sensor generally positioned near thermostat. Disconnect electrical connector for exactly 15 seconds. During this disconnection, computer detects signal absence. It then activates emergency mode with predetermined values. Upon reconnecting, sensor must send correct reading. Defective temperature sensor causes rich mixture, cold start difficulties, and elevated consumption. These symptoms disappear immediately if problem was incorrect calibration. This procedure works because it forces sensor to restart from known conditions. Coolant temperature is one of most important parameters for engine control, affecting ignition timing, injection duration, and fan activation. Technique number 4, power window reset after battery change. After replacing battery, power windows lose calibration memory and rise to mid-travel before stopping. This manual reset restores normal operation. With key in contact position, keep each Windows up button pressed for 15 seconds after reaching top. Release and keep down button pressed another 15 seconds after completely lowering. This process programs extreme travel points for each window, for sunroof open completely while keeping button pressed. Count 5 additional seconds and release. Repeat by closing completely. Computer reestablishes safety limits, preventing damage from overextension. This procedure works on most European and Asian vehicles manufactured after 2005. Modern power window systems incorporate anti-pinch sensors that must know exactly each window's position to function correctly. Technique number 3, climate system reset. Automatic climate system becomes uncontrollable after disconnecting battery. It blows hot air in cold mode and dampers move erratically. Start engine and adjust temperature to 24 degrees Celsius. Activate air conditioning in automatic mode and medium speed. Wait exactly 4 minutes without touching any control. During this time, system recalibrates internal and external sensors. After this timing, change temperature to 18 degrees, then 28 degrees slowly. This allows computer to reread complete temperature ranges and correctly adjust dampers. Recalibration eliminates strange behaviors like sudden temperature changes or damper noises. Without this procedure, system may take weeks to self-regulate correctly. Technique number 2. Idle control reset after throttle body cleaning. After cleaning throttle body, idle becomes completely uncontrolled. Engine stalls at traffic lights or maintains constant high idle. With engine completely cold, turn key to contact position without starting. Press accelerator completely and keep pressed exactly 20 seconds. Release completely and wait another 20 seconds. This process allows computer to reread maximum and minimum opening values. Start engine and let it run at idle without touching accelerator for 8 complete minutes. Computer automatically adjusts air-fuel mixture and air control valve position. During first days, idle may be slightly irregular while system completes adaptive learning. Technique number 1, unlocking cars that won't start. This immobilizer reset manipulation uses combination of door opening and closing. Immobilizer activates incorrectly and blocks engine start. Car detects non-existent theft attempt. Sit in driver's seat and close all doors, insert key and turn to contact position without starting. In next 30 seconds, open and close driver door exactly 4 times. Keep key in contact position throughout process. After 4th opening, keep door closed. Turn key to off position, wait exactly 15 seconds and start normally. Security computer recognizes this sequence as valid emergency code. This procedure works on Ford, Chrysler and some European model vehicles. Extra technique. General reset with clip on diagnostic port bridging terminals 4 and 13. This technique completely resets all electronic systems without professional scanner, eliminates error codes, recalibrates sensors, and restores factory configurations in minutes. Locate diagnostic port under dashboard left side with metal clip connect terminals 4 and 13 of connector. Keep bridge connected while turning key to contact position for exactly 30 seconds. During this time, all dashboard lights turn on and off in sequence. This indicates computer is erasing memory and reloading original parameters. Remove clip and start normally. This reset eliminates phantom failures and corrupted configurations. Works on General Motors vehicles, some Fords and specific Asian models. These 12 secret techniques just saved you between $400 and $1,000 in unnecessary diagnostics. These procedures represent decades of experience concentrated in few minutes of practical application. If these manipulations saved you from costly bill, subscribe and activate notifications because I have prepared content that will surprise you. Next episode will reveal secret codes that unlock hidden functions in any vehicle. These features already exist in your automobile, but manufacturers intentionally keep them deactivated. Activate notifications because this information often disappears under pressure from dealership networks. Next Tuesday, I'll reveal why your vehicle can run on half fuel simply by activating dormant configuration in your computer.